Alright, welcome back guys to another new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to locate your rear interior brake light bulb. So this is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. So first what you're going to do, you're going to open the trunk of the car, and in the top center of the car you will see that white connection there. This is a socket for the bulb. You're going to hold it and twist it to the left and pull down and press the bulb and turn. And this is the bulb. So this is the type of bulb we use in the car for the brake light. And it's a single contact bulb. So this is the type of bulb we use for your brake light. So this is a 12 volt 21 watt. So this is the original bulb that comes in the car. So I'm going to rub it back in the socket now. Push and turn, and then to insert it back, push it like this, find the slot so that it will sit resting, and turn to the right, and there you go. So guys, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.